Almost all of the photos used in ProjectSight are captured on a mobile device, typically on a cell phone or tablet in the field. These photos can then be managed within the mobile app or from the ProjectSight web application. In this video, you will learn some of the features and workflows for creating mobile photos and linking them with project items such as checklists and punch items. A common workflow for many ProjectSight users is to capture multiple photos quickly on their mobile device, perhaps walking the construction site and snapping photos as they go, and then managing those photos from the web application when they get back to the office. ProjectSight makes uploading multiple photos to the Web Photos utility quick and easy. Here's how. From a project main screen, tap on the plus button in the upper right. The Utilities menu will open where you can tap the Photos Upload icon. Note that you could also tap any of the record icons to quickly create a new record to which you could also add photos, a process we'll show you next. Tapping the Photos Upload icon will open your device's camera roll, where you can select any number of photos for upload. Tap Done, and the photos will begin to upload. You'll get a message telling you the upload is in progress and may take a few minutes, and that if you are offline, the upload will resume automatically when you reconnect. Tap Continue to proceed. When you open your ProjectSight web application, your photos will be there for you to manage. Obviously, you can take photos directly from your camera utility on your mobile device as you normally would. But from within the ProjectSight mobile application, you can also take and add photos directly to an existing record. In this example, a safety inspection checklist. Simply tap on the plus icon in the References section, which will open the References menu where you can view existing photos or videos associated with the record. Or tap on the Take Photos icon to open the Photos utility and take new photos. You can also open the Photos utility from within any other section of the record, which will add the photos to that section. For instance, tap on the Photos icon in the Comments section, or scroll down and tap on the Photos icon from within a question in the checklist to add photos to that part of the record. The Photos utility will open. From within the Photos utility, to snap one or more photos, tap the button at the bottom of the screen. Select a photo and then tap the trash can icon if you need to delete a photo. You can tap the annotations icons to annotate a selected or the most recent photo. Or tap Done when you are finished taking or annotating photos and the photos will be added to that section of the record. Tap on a photo to select it. Tap on the pencil icon to draw on the photo. Tap on the text icon to enter a text annotation. You can select and move the annotation as needed. When you have finished annotating your photo, tap Done. Tap Done again to add the annotated photos and return to the checklist record. You can now see that the annotated photos have been added to the record. In fact, to the specific question within the checklist record. Be sure to tap the Save icon to update the record. Note that if for some reason the ProjectSight mobile application loses connection or crashes in the middle of capturing photos, the photos will be preserved and a special screen will open, allowing you to restore any photos taken. Tap the X in the upper left to return to the Checklists utility. Another common workflow, rather than taking photos from within the ProjectSight mobile app, is to open your mobile camera and snap off one or more photos, which can then be added from your camera roll to project records. Here is how. First, you will need to open the record to which you want to add photos from your camera roll. In this example, a safety inspection checklist. Tap on the Checklist tile to open the Checklists utility. Then select the checklist to which you want to add photos. The Safety Inspection checklist will open, showing existing drawings and photos in the References section. Tap on the blue plus icon. The References menu will open, where you can tap on the Photos Videos line to open your camera roll, displaying photos you have previously taken. Select one or more photos to add to the record. If you tap Done, The photos will be added to the record as is, but in this case, you will tap the Edit Annotation icon, which will open the editing screen where you can select an image and add drawing or text annotations. You can select other photos and make additional annotations as needed. When you have added all of the annotations you need, tap Done to save the photos and annotations to the record. Tapping Done will return you to the checklist record screen, where you can see the photos and annotations added to the safety inspection record. Be sure to tap Save to preserve the record.